Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to screen record with audio on Windows 11 or Windows 10 in your PC without installing any kind of software. And this screen recorder software is totally free, which comes with your default Windows as well. It's very light software to use on, so you can use it in your low spec PC. All right, for that you need to search on snipping tool in your Windows. Then you will see a option, video option, right over here. Just tap on the video option, then click on new. It will give you the permission to select the borders of the screen record you will do. So I will select all my screen, all right, like this. Then you will see here are a couple of options right over here. If you want to record with your microphone on, you need to select this option and select the microphone and unmute it like this. And you can also select this option to unmute the system audio as well. So let's just start this option and let's see how good is this. All right, so let's just start it. Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to screen record with audio on snipping tool. So let's get started. All right, we have successfully recorded our file. So let's just see how good is this. So here is my file. Let's just hear it. Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to screen record with audio on snipping tool. So let's get started. As you can see, this recording is extremely perfect. All right, if we want to save this snipping tool video, you need to tap on this option, save as. Then let's just save it onto the desktop. Let's just rename it as my record, then hit enter. All right, this is only 11-second video, so let's just see how bigger the file size is. So let's go to the properties, and as you can see we have got 12 MB for 11-second recordings. As you can see, this is my bitrate, at which you can see this bitrate is too high for the resolution. So that's how you can easily use the snipping tool for record your videos with audio on Windows 11 or even in Windows 10, which is easy to use. All right, and everyone have it on your PC. So thank you so much guys for watching. If this video helps you out, hit a like, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.